Hello everyone, in today's video, we will understand the core and latest Google algorithm updates. Let's get into the video. Google algorithm updates are changes to its search ranking system. These updates aim to improve search results, impacting website visibility based on relevance and quality. Early search used PageRank, link quantity. Panda fought poor content, Penguin targeted spam links, Hummingbird understood search intent, and mobile-friendly updates prioritized mobile experience. RankBrain used AI to better understand search intent. Broad core updates refined overall search relevance, ensuring rankings align with user needs and current content standards. Modern core updates prioritize EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Current updates focus on mobile-first indexing, user behavior, and core web vitals for optimal user experience. Core updates improve search relevance and content quality, causing widespread ranking shifts. Other updates address spam or technical issues, with smaller, more targeted impacts and higher frequency. Core updates focus on EAT, content quality, and user intent, with transparent announcements. Other updates target spam and technical SEO, often without formal notice. Google algorithm updates improve search quality and user experience. Websites must adapt to these changes to maintain visibility, build trust, and deliver valuable content that meets user needs. Google algorithm updates improve search quality and user experience. Websites must adapt to these changes to maintain visibility, build trust, and deliver valuable content that meets user needs. Recent updates: August 24 prioritized helpful content, March 24 targeted low-quality content/spam, November 23 refined review rankings, and October 23 enhanced overall search quality. Recent updates: September 23 prioritized helpful content, August 23 improved search quality, April 23 rewarded detailed reviews, and March 23 identified quality content, impacting rankings. Recent updates: December 22 penalized manipulative links, October 22 removed spam, September 22 prioritized user-focused content, and July 22 emphasized authentic product reviews. Recent updates: December 22 penalized manipulative links, October 22 removed spam, September 22 prioritized user-focused content, and July 22 emphasized authentic product reviews. Core updates prioritize relevant, high-quality content that directly answers user questions. They value EAT for authentic and reliable information. Core updates focus on matching user intent, prioritizing fast, mobile-friendly websites, and removing spam to ensure relevant and trustworthy search results. Recent updates prioritize user-focused content, helpful content, fast and stable websites, core web vitals, and mobile performance, mobile-first indexing, for improved user experience. Product reviews updates prioritize thorough, genuine reviews. EEAT enhancements focus on ranking reliable, expert content emphasizing experience, authority, and trustworthiness, especially for important topics. Spam updates remove manipulative content to ensure trustworthy search results. Local search updates improve accuracy of location-specific business information for better local search experiences. To adapt to updates, create high-quality, user-focused content, improve EEAT by demonstrating expertise, and optimize for mobile and core web vitals for better user experience. To adapt, audit and update content regularly, build natural backlinks through quality content, and monitor algorithm changes to quickly adjust strategies using analytics. Stay updated via Google Search Central blog, official announcements, Google Search Console, website performance tracking, and SEMrush, SEO analysis and algorithm tracking. Stay updated via Google Search Central blog, official announcements, Google Search Console, website performance tracking, and SEMrush, SEO analysis and algorithm tracking. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.